First of all, I wish my friends a good day today too. Today I am here at another part of Ocean Polonnaru Kingdom. So let's go to today's video. Subscribe to my channel to keep watching videos like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon too. We are going to the Vishnu Devalaya. Now you are seeing the Vishnu Devalaya. It is a stone shrine built with black stone. This is strong evidence that people in those times even believe in God. Every morning a puja is held here. As we continue the journey, our mind get drawn to the peaceful surroundings and the animals' behavior. Look, here are the monkeys. Alright, let's move forward. Now you are seeing the Rankothera. In that time, stupa construction was one of the great architectural works in Sri Lanka. It represents peace, equality, and respect for religion. Around the stupa, there are small rooms where monks could stay. These rooms were safe and strong. There are also 4 shrine rooms with Buddha statue in the 4 directions. This is a great example of well-planned advanced construction technology. So friends, we end today's short trip here. Let's meet again another day with another video.